In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Todoist projects into personal and team spaces. Let's start by opening Todoist. You can use the web app in your browser or the desktop or mobile app, whatever you prefer. Once you're in, you'll see your main view with the sidebar on the left. That sidebar is your command center, and it's where you'll access all of your projects. If you haven't looked at this area in a while, take a moment to scan it so you have a sense of what's already there. Next, head to your projects. This is where the real organization happens. The goal is simple. Separate your personal projects from your team or collaborative projects so there's less confusion and everything is easier to find. Start by identifying which projects are just for you. Things like personal tasks, household planning, learning goals, or finances. Then identify the ones that involve other people, team initiatives, shared deliverables, or anything that requires collaboration. Once you know what's what, group them clearly. There are a few easy ways to do this inside the project's view. You can drag and drop projects to arrange them into two clusters, keeping personal items together and team items together. If you use parent and sub projects, create a clean hierarchy by placing related work under a single parent so you can collapse and expand groups quickly. Consider renaming projects with a simple prefix like personal or team to make them instantly recognizable. You can also apply consistent colors, one color for personal, another for team, so you can spot them at a glance. If you're working in a shared workspace, double-check which projects are shared and which are private to avoid surprises. As you organize, look for outdated or duplicate projects and archive or merge them so your list stays lean. If a project doesn't clearly belong anywhere, ask yourself who the work is for and who needs visibility. That usually tells you whether it's personal or team. Keep names short but specific, and avoid overlapping titles to prevent confusion later. If you collaborate frequently, add clear descriptions inside the project so teammates understand the purpose and scope. When everything is grouped and labeled clearly, you're done. You'll notice it's much faster to switch contexts, hand off work, and focus without distraction. With your projects neatly separated into personal and team spaces, Todoist becomes a lot more intuitive and staying organized feels effortless.